Neckbeard Society Banana here. This video is about Debian testing. I will give you a concise information about what it is and show how to install it in the Debian recommended way. Roll the intro. Debian testing. Oh yeah! What is Debian testing? Now, the purpose of Debian testing, and it already says it in its name, is to test packages. Debian testing receives packages from Debian Unstable, aka Debian SID, after they fulfill certain requirements. Then these packages get tested in the set testing branch and finally might or might not end up in the next stable release. So Debian testing is mainly used, or let's put it this way, should be solely used by developers that are testing packages. The testing branch doesn't really get security updates and is not meant to be used as a daily driver operating system. But why do you say that so emphatically, you might ask? Well, it seems like there is this misconception on the internet that you can simply install testing if you want slightly newer packages on your daily driver OS. Maybe you read it in forums, or maybe you heard it from a big YouTuber in one of his recent videos saying something like, "But if you want a more rolling release version of Debian, then testing is the way to go." That is just plain wrong. Anyways, before I rant, complain, or I should say neckbeard too much, I will show you how to install Debian testing the recommended way. Here on the Debian wiki page for testing it says, let me zoom in quite quick and scroll down. It says here under how to install Debian next stable testing that you should conduct a minimal installation using the stable installer and then upgrade to testing. And then further down the page you find how to perform the upgrade, which is easily done by changing some repository entries in the apt sources list. And further down again it says that the security suite is usually empty, but it still may get updates for big bad issues. Which is why we are also going to change the security repository entries. So keep in mind, the security team's priority is to update stable first and only update testing if there is a big bad issue. So much for the daily driver. Okay, I will be quiet now, install and testing. I'm gonna use the expert installer, the TUI, Textual User Interface Installer. By the way, don't be shy using the expert installer. It has only a couple more options that are pretty much self-explanatory. So, if you have any questions, write them in the comments below. See ya in the next vid.